Hello everyone, I am Prasant and today I am excited to present my project Timeless Memory, a beautifully crafted photographer's website designed and developed by me. This project showcases my skills in web development and using modern technologies like HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, Node.js and PostgreSQL for database management through pgAdmin. So let's get started. So we have my file name like MMM and there are many files here. For login, we have this. For home of the our website, we have this. For image, for gallery section, for experience and skill section, for contact section, for admin login system. Sorry, for admin login and for the admin section. And to run our website, so we have to go to the terminal, new terminal, and then go to command prompt in to navigate the project folder. First we have to use command prompt node1 index.js node1 index.js. So we can see that connected to the PostgreSQL, connected to PG, all backend, all app done. And then we have to go to localhost to login. As you can see, the website is now up running and ready to deliver an impressive experience to visitor. So first we have to the login section. We have the timeless memory login section, and we have to enter the password. So if we can enter random password, then we have to like this invite email or password. If you are new, we have to create a new account. So we have to like write name something Soxim Bhandari, enter email sakshym Soxim @gmail.com. Then password like 12345 6. Okay, and we have created successfully, and then we have to go to like shym soxim @gmail.com, and then password 12345 6. So we have one thing, we also have the register all information also goes to the database, so we have to check from here. We have to go to like register section, and then run query to run, then select all from register, then we have to run this. So we can see that Saksham Mandari, gmail.com, password 12345 6. So I have already logged in registered many times. So also have that other three information. And now after login, we have this our home page. So in our home page, the homepage welcome user with a dynamic auto-write animation and a unique CSS-based image rotation design, creating a capturing first impressive. It's set to the tone for the entire website by highlighting the essence of timeless memories. So we have here timeless memories logo, and we have this auto-write effect, and there we have our social media side, and there's a impressive bio, and then when we minimize this and scroll down, we have this. So this is a CSS rotation effect. So I take a reference from a one YouTube channel. I just forgot that YouTube channel name, but I like that very much. Then we have to scroll down. We have our services section, event photography, studio session, commercial photography, and about a section. In all reserved by Talents Memory 2023. So now then we have portfolio section. So in portfolio section, the each dynamic admin can seamlessly add and delete images with label using a secure admin panel. The changes are stored in a PostgreSQL database for reliable and structured backend. So we can go here it in later when in after some time when we get in the admin panel. So when we add images or we have to delete images. So when you add images that come to here portfolio section, when we deleted that also deleted from here and also from the database, and we also have something like text here, and then our The gallery section. In the gallery section, user can search for specific images. This functionality ensures that user find what they are looking for quickly and effectively. For example, uh, we search for like kids, and then we have like this. All the information of what we enter, all the kids images are here. So like wedding, also for portrait, like this. Also for picnic, let's see, like lake or ocean, like sea, like nature. We have all this. And now next we have experience and skill page. The experience skill page highlight the photographer expertise, offering visitor a glimpse of the talent behind the lens. So we have 10 year of experience in professional photography, over a decade of the experience in capturing stunning portrait landscape in event photography. Then we have a conduct photography workshop collaborating with leading brands like skill. We have portrait photography, landscape photography, event photography, photo editing, and creative direction. So we have also award and accomplishment like photographer of the year 2022, best nature photographer 2021, published in National Geographic. And then we have contact page. So in contact page, mm, the allows the user to connect by submitting their detail, which are securely stored in the database and visible in the admin section also. So, like example, Sakshim Bandari. Mean I already give like Sakshim at gmail.com. Mobile numbers are like random. Telephone also like random. Like message like I want to click some. I want to hire photographer for my wedding, like this, and then we have to send message. Okay, then we have to go to check in the database like in the contact page, and then query tool, and then select all from contact and run. Then we have like this Saksham Mandari, Saksham at the gmail.com, like mobile, telephone, and then we have the message also. I want to hire photographer for my wedding. So this is done. And then we have admin section. So we have to first enter the admin username and password. So if we enter something wrong password, then this page invalid user and password is- in a different page is open. When we enter the correct password like 1234566, so we can come here and we can see all the data, user data, what we register like Prasanban, Lakshman, what we have already registered from. Like we recently registered from the software manager, so all the detail of full name and email is come here. And then messages like we check from the software mandari message like I want to add photographer for my wedding. So this message also go to database and also in admin section. So it is also accessible by admin. So example like we have to when we add image like and give the image title and then submit, then look the image also come in a portfolio like admin in the portfolio setting. And we when you check in the portfolio section, look, these also come in portfolio section. Like we already have thumbnail like, and we recently add nature. So if we have to first we have to check in database, go to admin, go to schemas, go to like table, contact, select all from, no, 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 no. like admin schemas, and then go to here images, and then we have to run from here, and then select all from images and run. So you can see nature. So we have added like we have a given tag in here. So we have given a tag image title nature. So it also goes to the uh, database. So when you delete from this admin section, it also deleted from look a database and also from the portfolio section. When you also let's try also delete this and go to check database. Look, it also deleted from a database and it also from the portfolio. So thank you for watching my project presentation on timeless memories. This assignment demonstrated my expertise in designing and developing dynamic user-friendly website with a robust backend. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.